This AI tool can create videos, images, and content in seconds, and barely anyone is talking about it. It's called Pollo AI, and it could completely change the way you create content online. Let me show you how. On the Pollo AI homepage, you can create AI videos and images with just your prompts. You can also create video agents, and there are many powerful AI video makers here that will help you make realistic videos. You'll also find a variety of AI avatars, and you can even create your own custom AI avatar. The app offers several options, including the ability to clone viral videos with many video-making tools available. For this video, I'll be going faceless. To make a faceless video, just enter your prompt, select the video length, choose your aspect ratio, and finally click Create Video. The best part? You can use the Seedance 2.0 AI and Kling 3.0 AI, and there are many video models to choose from that perform best for your needs. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.